demonstration. Typhoon begins its display with a wide right turn and sun rolls. You can see the afterburner nozzles in the back of the airplanes. In the cockpit, we have also for 2015 Captain Federico Petracca, which is the Italian Air Force display pilot. The one you're about to see is a maneuver that can be performed only by a few planes in the world, thanks to their own aerodynamic layout. This is called the high alpha roll, and it's performed at a high angle of attack, a feature that allows aircraft to be handled in a very short range, positioning the aircraft three fast aileron rolls. A 45 degrees turn, some roll for spacing, and this slides back. Beginning definitely the most critical phase of this demonstration flight, the negative G is United turn. In this moment, Eurofighter pilot feels like being pulled out from the cockpit. And after keeping this attitude as long as he can, showing us the Typhoon from an unusual perspective, the pilot is performing a minimum radius turn, and as he gets the center of the runway, he points the crowd, and here we go, pull out! You can see the typical delta shape of the Captain Federico Petracca is performing movie. And now, once he gets in front of us, a wide left turn for repositioning, and to begin a very, very amazing barrel roll. So, ladies and gentlemen, the Unified Typhoon of Italian Air Force Flight Center is coming up from the left side, now entry into the inverted flight. Rolls. And now climbing up to 3,500 feet for a classic maneuver, which is the half Cuban 8. Now descending with a 1.5 roll. 45 degrees right turn, spacing. So entry in the next phase of the demonstration flight. Now, high alpha roll on the left side, the pilot reduces the speed to 110 knots, then he sets 30 degrees nose up for the slow flight. The Eurofighter engine don't make any noise right now, but in a few seconds they will impressively thrust for a stunning minimum radius turn at max rate. You can see the Eurofighter flying at the low possible speed, the slowest possible speed. You can see the noise of the two engines, EJ200. this minimum radius Schneider turn. And after that, Captain Federico Petracca, we will pull the stick on chest. And he closes the maneuver, reducing speed. And now, just in front of us, Captain Federico Petracca will perform another deep bar roll. You can see one more time the afterburner nozzle literally lighten up. And now prepare, ladies and gentlemen, because next fly pass will be a max performance flyover followed by a continuous 9G Schneider turn. Maximum speed for unified Typhoon of Italian Air Force. Now pilots is pulling a continuous 9G force in this max rate turn. He will close the maneuver just in front of us. And several rolls to take spacing and begin a final stunning flyover, which is the slow rolls. Captain Federico Petracca is the Typhoon display for this year. He joined the Air Force Academy from 1998 to 2002, and he received his military wings at the NATO Joint Jet Pilot Training School of Shepherd in Texas. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is the slow rolls in which the pilot is highly requested to handle the aircraft with high coordination in order to maintain flight path and altitude. And you have just seen a negative G ramp to perform a split S and turn the aircraft upside down for final landing. In that phase, he slowed down by reducing engine thrust. He extends the gear down while making the last pre-landing checks. Gear down, lights on, approaching the ground. 130 knots. It's quite strange to see the Typhoon slowing down at this low speed value after those incredible aerobatics maneuver with engine with idle. And touchdown in this moment for the Eurofighter Typhoon on runway 07. So, ladies and gentlemen, the display of Italian Air Force Typhoon has come to an end. We really hope you have appreciated this demonstration flight. Thank you very much for coming. We'll see you tomorrow for the second slot of the Italian Air Force Flight Test Center F2008. Thank you.